Today on the channel, I have the Enacfire G20. These are a pair of true wireless earbuds that are waterproof and have an awesome leather case. Let's take a look at them. What's up everybody, and welcome back to the Phase Reviews YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Jordan. Today on the table I have a pair of wireless earbuds, another in a long line of earbuds that I've taken a look at on this channel. These are budget, under 50 bucks, and in my mind, some of the better quality earbuds that I have reviewed. Today, I'm gonna give you guys a rundown of everything that comes in the box. I'm gonna talk about the specs and whether or not they compare to real life use that I've done with these. And I'll give you my overall impressions of sound quality and features so you can make an informed decision and decide if these guys are right for you. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna reposition the camera so that we can take a look at everything that comes in the box. All right, so here is the box that they come in. And one of the things that I always like to point out before we even open this up is that you can tell a lot about a product by the way that it's packaged. This one has a feel of something that you would get from like a Best Buy or a tech store, which is always a good sign. If people are willing to put time into creating good packaging, it usually is going to bode well for the product itself. Obviously, that's not always true, and you can't judge a book by its cover 100% of the time, but if I see nice, thick cardboard, shiny graphics, good text all over the box that's in plain English and easy to understand, I'm going to trust a product like that. So let's open up the package. All right, the first thing you're gonna see is the headphone case itself. And I mentioned at the beginning of the video that this is a leather case. Now, obviously not real leather, I don't think, but it's got this kind of faux leather case, and it's not something that I've seen in any headphones that I've done in the past, and I really like the aesthetic of this. You'll also notice that the case is really slim. I like this. This is easily pocketable. My Soundpeats, which are my current go-to true wireless earbuds, are not very easy to fit in a pocket. It's got a pretty big pill-shaped container. These are much slimmer, and you would have no problem carting these around. Besides the headphones themselves, if we take out this foam insert, again, nice quality, right? I'm noticing these things. There is a little part down in the bottom here. It's a little box. You can pull that separate box out, and opening that up, you'll see a manual. Thick manual. Again, can't judge a book by its cover, but I've read through this. The English is very easy to understand. It's well written, and it's thick. It covers a lot of features. They're not leaving you with like a one-page document and, you know, fend for yourself with these headphones. So I like that a lot. Inside of here, you're also gonna find probably the tiniest USB charging cord ever. So definitely if you've got other USB leads on hand that are longer, that'll do you better. Or if you've got like a multi-charging station on your desk, this will probably be fine. But you know, you get one of these in every package, so I don't really care that it's small. And then you're going to have your additional ear tips. Right? So I have tiny ears, I use the smallest ones, but you have a couple different options there. And then there's just a warranty card here that's saying they're good for 3 months replacement or full refund, 12-month worry-free warranty. After the packaging, the other thing that I think is really important about a product that you can tell before even testing it is the weight. These have a good weight to it. If something feels flimsy and cheap, it probably is, unless it's intended to be lightweight. These have a good weight to them, not overly heavy, but you can feel that it's solid and that there's not a bunch of empty space in this case, which is something that I like. This has a nice magnetic closure, and when you open it up, there are your earbuds. These are true wireless, meaning that the batteries are built into the headphones. You don't have to have a separate like necklace behind your neck. And so with true wireless earbuds, you just pop these out and they charge once you set them in the case. Once you pop them out, they're gonna automatically pair to my phone because I've paired them before. And it's that simple. Even on the first pairing, all I had to do was pull them out of the case, open up the Bluetooth settings on my phone, and they immediately connected when I clicked on them. There is no like pairing order. My Soundpeats earbuds that I reviewed previously, you have to take out the right one first and then the left one. It's kind of a hassle. These ones, doesn't matter which order you take them out, they will both pair to your phone very easily. All right, while we've got these out, let's talk about battery life. They claim on the product page 7 hours, and whenever I get a new pair of headphones, I test them by using them for a whole day and using them while I'm working, and happy to report they live up to the full 7 hours, no problem there. Had these in my ears all Saturday while I was working in the lawn and working on schoolwork, and they work great. They say 42 hours if you combine in the recharging that you get on the case itself. So this can do 6 recharges of the headphones, 6 times 7, 42 total hours of listening time before you have to recharge the case. 42 hours is plenty for long travels or road trips or what have you. All right, so these are earbuds, and obviously what we're gonna care about with earbuds is the audio quality. Happy to say that this has great audio quality for the price. My Soundpeats, mentioned them before, I'll mention them again. They're my go-to right now, similar price to these, and I would say the audio quality in these is just as good or better. The bass is nice and full, and the bass is usually the toughest thing for low-end earbuds to reproduce, but it's got a nice, thick, low end, and it's not overbearing. The SZC headphones that I reviewed last had way too much bass that it just ruined the experience. These are full and nice, but they're not too much. The mid-range is clear, not muddy, and the highs are there as well. Are these audiophile for 40 bucks? No, but they do sound better than anything else you're gonna get at this price, or probably double this price as far as wireless earbuds go. On the outside of each headphone is the touch sensitive button, has the same controls as any other headphones you'd use with your phone, so 1 tap to play and pause, 2 taps to skip forward, 3 taps to skip back, and the touch sensitivity is great. I also like that the touch sensitivity is on the very outside. With the SCC, it was on top, and if I readjusted the headphones in my ear, it would turn the music on and off. With these, I can move them if they're uncomfortable and they're not in a good spot, and it won't turn my music on or off. The last spec I wanted to talk about was their waterproof rating. These are rated at IPX8, which according to the internet is full submersion and up to, I think, like a meter of water. I'm not gonna test that with these. I like these, and I don't wanna take the chance that they're not IPX8, but I think we can safely assume that these are gonna handle heavy rain, if you're working out and you're getting super sweaty. That to me is a more valuable rating of water resistance if it can stand up to, splashes, big rainstorm rolls in unexpectedly while you're out on a jog. And so I like that they have that feature. If people are using these to work out, like I probably will, it's nice to know that you're not going to have your sweat seep into them and ruin them. So that's a quick look at the G20 from Enacfire. These are definitely top contenders for my favorite sub $50 true wireless earbuds. The sound quality is fantastic, and I love the form factor of the case. I would choose this case over my Soundpeats wireless earbuds in a second, and because the sound quality is the exact same or better, these are gonna be my new go-to for hitting the gym or studying at school. If you wanna pick up a set of these for yourself, there'll be a link down in the description as always. Buy through there, support the channel, I'd really appreciate it. I would also love, if you liked the content, if you'd become a subscriber, ring the notification bell, like the video, and share a comment down below if you have another pair of your favorite sub $50 earbuds. Maybe I can review those soon as well. Thank you so much for being here and watching, and I will see you next time.